is 0.68. The focus, one of the foci, is negative 912, and the major axis is a vertical segment. Let's find the equation of the ellipse. First, before we get into that, let's explain the various parts first. Given that this center is 0, 0, and this length is f, and this length is a, let us define an ellipse as the locus of points for which the sum of the distance from the two foci are equal. So let's pick a vertex. This is going to be a minus f, as we established that this is a and that this is f. And this is going to be 2a minus f. Add those things up together and we get 2a. Then let's draw on the covertex. This makes an isosceles triangle. Therefore, the sum of these distances is 2a and it's split into 2. So that would be a. Just they be equal. We know that this is from the center. We can draw a right triangle. This being the semi-minor axis. This being f. F squared plus b squared equals a squared. So let's just prove that first, and let's go ahead and jump in here. So we know that this is a focus and that this is a covertex. Given that, let's go ahead and draw lines. Let's go ahead and draw line segments connecting them to what has to be the center. We didn't explain the center, but it has to be, because there's a straight line because this to this should be a straight line, and this to this should be a straight line. So using Pythagorean theorem, the square root of 15 squared plus 4 squared is going to be square root of 241. This, as we established earlier, is equal to this. So that's going to be the semi-major. That's going to be the semi-major axis, and 15 is going to be the semi-minor axis. The semi-minor axis lies on the x squared part, and the semi-major axis lies on the y squared part, and the semi-minor axis is the x squared part. Sorry if I said it wrong before. I'm trying to clarify. So the equation is therefore going to be x plus 9 squared over 225, because 0 to negative 9, you have to that's a plus 9. That's a shift. And the semi-minor axis is 15, so 15 squared is 225. And y minus 8 squared, because, once again, you have to go up 8 from 0, and then you do the reverse when it's in parentheses. And we divide by 241, which is the semi-major axis squared, and that equals 1, so that is our equation.